everyone, my name is Tiffany van Lenten and I'm going to make a beautiful bouquet today. I hope to learn you to make a frame bouquet with wire and with pompons, and of course the secret ingredient, Lisianthus. So let's start with the wire. I have aluminium wire, a pink one, but of course you can do it with every color. And I will cut 20 stems of this length. So we have 20 of those aluminium wires. I try to do my best to do the same length, but it not always works out. But it doesn't matter because you can cut it later on. Then I take a bit of tape. One goes on the bottom and one goes up, and then you have a holder for your bouquet. Then we're going to split this up. And then we're going to twist two of them. That's why you need even numbers of wires. So it doesn't matter if you want 18 or 20 or 22, and then twist it into each other. Then I need 5 down below and 5 up, and then I'm going to twist them to each other again. We are almost there. I twisted quite a lot. So you go on with the same thing till you think the frame is big enough, and I think at the moment it's big enough. So now you have 2 frames above each other. Now I touch a few to each other from the side and then cut them shorter. So then the bottom and the top is touched to each other as well, so it gets a bit more stable. As you can see, we have now 2 layers. So 1 frame at the bottom and 1 frame at the top, but it's 1 frame now. Then we have here the differentiates pink pompons, and we're going to glue it on the top. So a little bit of glue on the top of the wire. And those colors are perfect with Lisianthus, what we are going to use, as you can see. And there we go. Now the frame is done, and now we're going to start with the beautiful Lisianthus. As you can see, it's an easy frame to fill up with Lisianthus, because you have all the wire that holds them as well. And now you can add all the side branches a bit lower. And now we can move the pumpkins in every shape you want. Now we cut the stems and tie up the bouquet. Nicely with also a nice color of wire that also comes back in your bouquet. I like to let the color always come back. And then we have a beautiful hand-tied bouquet with the secret ingredient, Lisianthus. My name is Tiffany van Lenten. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon again.